guys, long time no see. So I just wanted to come in and say I'm sorry there hasn't been a video up for the last 2 weeks, but a lot of you guys know that I live in Northern California and we have had a lot of fires, and the fire that broke out that was just about a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, is about an hour away from my house. So for safety precaution reasons, the PG&e, which is our gas and electric company, shut power off to, I think the last count was 9,900,000 of us. So basically 1 million of us had no power for 4 days. No big deal. It is what it is. It's a precaution. I get it. It was an inconvenience. It sucked. But that's part of the reason why I haven't had any videos up for you guys in the last 2 weeks. So I did film a little bit of what happened during the power outage and just some of the stuff that we were going through and how we took care of the refrigerator, which obviously stopped being cold after about 24 hours of the power being down. The first 24 hours we just didn't open the refrigerator. Basically we tried to keep it really froze and cold, and then after that we were able to kind of get everything ready. So I'm going to take you through a little bit of that. All right, let's see what you can see in here without any lights. And we've got the curtains open, but this is how we're making coffee with a fine strainer. And I'm putting hot water in this pot, and then outside in the backyard, I'll show you in a minute, I have the camping stove set up. I have to do some dishes. We have the dishwasher full of dishes because yesterday they said we were supposed to get power back for 3 hours and then they were going to cut power again. So we were supposed to have like a little reprieve where we could do laundry, do dishes, kind of just, you know, go and buy stuff that we needed, get some more cash out from the ATM, but that didn't happen. So I pulled the silverware out and I'm just going to wash that by hand. I'm going to wash these few items by hand. And let me show you, I have to charge our phones. I've been charging them in the car, so I'll show you guys that too. Thank goodness for lighters and all the candles that I have, because we've needed candles every night. So let me show you what we have going on back here. Here is the camping stove. And luckily we had propane already from our camping trip. We had half a tank, so we're good. And I've been putting the coffee, sorry, let me close that. I've been putting water in that pot and boiling it on the stove here. And then we have our cooler, which has everything that we rescued out of the refrigerator in there. And then we also have the other cooler, which just has extra ice. Ice is selling out really fast, you guys. Like, as soon as they get a shipment of ice, it sells out. So we've been having extra ice all the time. The backyard is insane just because there's so much stuff back here now, and then all the leaves from the wind, and that's why we've been having this power outage, because of the wind and the fires. So that's what we're dealing with right now. I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning, and hopefully you guys can see with no lights, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so the other thing that obviously doesn't work is the washer and dryer. I know it's really dark in here. Sorry about that. I just wanted to show you there's a bunch of laundry already back here, and then there's a bunch of laundry upstairs, and I was in the middle of doing laundry when they cut the power. So that's going to be fun when the power comes back on. I have to charge my phone, but I wanted to show you guys. It says emergency calls only. Yes, that's Adam Lambert. We're not going to talk about that right now. All right, so this is what I've been charging everything on, and I got it from Amazon, obviously. It's got charging ports here, and it has regular plugs here, and it plugs into your cigarette lighter. Now, I have a port that's always hot, so this one's always hot. That one is not. This one goes and is running even when the car is not running. So all you do is flip the switch, and you can see that the green light comes on, and then you're ready to go. So I'm gonna plug my phone in, but you can see there's like no service. So it's completely dead, and yes, that's Adam Lambert. We'll talk about that later. So just gonna plug it in and I'm gonna leave it out here. And then we're gonna go in and do what we need to do. What do you wanna eat?
How about maybe cereal?
Cereal. What are we gonna get cereal? What do you need from here?
Milk.
Nope, that's half and half. This is milk. All right.
Can I have chocolate? Can I have Cocoa Krispies?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
Mason and Paul ate a lot of cereal with the power being out because we had to use the milk. And what else are you going to eat in a power outage? You have to go get a plastic spoon. We're out of spoons.
Oh, yeah. Because the power went out.
Okay, I don't know if you guys will even be able to really see in here. Okay, I think you can. But the fridge is dead. It doesn't work. It hasn't worked now for about 2 days. It's been not cold. So there are vegetables in there because it's a little bit chilly. It's okay for the vegetables. And they don't do so well in the cooler. And then we have some like protein shakes that really don't need to be refrigerated until they're open. Some condiments that are okay without being refrigerated. But the freezer, I'm not going to open because I'm trying to keep that as cold as possible. That is completely dead. And here, there's no time. The power is dead. It has been dead now for, I think, 3 days.
They said it was really packed over the weekend because everybody was doing what I was doing, but there it is normal there today. We should go.
Hot dog buns. We can at least make hot dogs. Here.
All the stuff.
You can barbecue those. Here's more hamburgers. Damn. I just went from having a full freezer to having nothing.
I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of clouds.
Oh, she has power right now. They said they put it on for, they're supposed to go back off in like
We don't have power because a tree hit our freaking thing last night.
What? And who?
Hamilton has power. Roland has power. But a tree hit our transformer.
I just drove through all that. No one has power.
No, Hamilton has power. The house is down there. We don't have power because something hit our transformer. We've had a freaking helicopter flying around all freaking morning. I don't know what we're supposed to do with like the French fries and.
If it's not gonna last, just toss them. It's garbage night, so let's get that stuff out of here. Like the ice cream, right? That's toast, right?
I was
I think there's no saving that. Oh, it's still a little. I think I might be able to eat some.
Say goodbye to the chicken sandwiches.
Yeah, we don't need those anymore.
Look at us just cleaning out the fridge like a mother.
All that shit. It's not gonna last.
Here, you know how to make these last, and they're still solid.
Get me the bag. Just put them in a Ziploc and they'll be fine.
It's just like freaking camping.
I was gonna go get the table, but the ice melted. Well, it would be nice if we had a table. They're not gonna last. Toss them. The power's not coming on until Friday now, they're saying. And that means Saturday or Sunday probably. So we got like a long ways to go.
What? Did you just say that?
Yeah, that's what they were saying on the radio.
Till Saturday or Sunday?
What the hell
Okay.
is this?
Where can we go somewhere?
Where?
we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. And now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. And now, no, it's no more, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more, no, no.
Thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. I'll see you guys next Thursday. I'm working on getting back to my normal schedule since this power outage threw us for a little bit of a loop. But I am just so grateful that our house is not under evacuation like so many of the houses around us. I'm praying every single day for all of the people that are in the fire zone, and I really hope that we can get these California fires under control. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.